Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades as per the market movement. Okay, I have taken a trade here in a down direction because you can see here this candlestick is a strong candle engulfing, and next candle went up making a new high, and it also broke this level, so it means that the next candlestick will definitely be a bullish candle. So let's see what happens here. It is very much easy, and there is no need to worry about this trade, and we will definitely get here a bullish candle. So my prediction is 100% for the bullish candlestick and for the winning trade. So let's see and hope for the best, and we will definitely win this trade. You will see here a bullish candle. Okay, so you can see I got here a bullish candle. Now in Euro USD, what I need to do, I can go here with the sellers easily. You can see here this candlestick broke the level. Okay, you can see this candlestick broke this area. Now what you are seeing here, again you are seeing here a sign of continuation with a new low, and the minor trend is a bearish trend, and this is a bearish momentum. So because of these things I have taken this trade, and you will see here a winning trade. Okay, it is a short trade, so there is no doubt to worry about this candlestick, and it will close below my entry point for sure. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I need to move forward, and I'm going to take my trade with AUD USD. So what I can go to do here, I can easily go here with the sellers. I have taken a trade here because I'm seeing here a huge rejection from the upper side, and this candlestick will break this area and it will make here a bearish candle. You will see here, you can see here a strong rejection from the above side, and you can see this is the level. But this momentum level will not work here. Market will definitely go down and it will make here a bearish candle. So my prediction is again for the bearish candlestick 100%, and we will win this trade for sure. There is no doubt about it. Okay, market is trying to go down, and it has to close here as a bearish candle. Okay, so this was AUD USD, so I need to analyze another market. Okay, so in AUD JPY, let's see what happens here. Okay, so you can see here the minor movement of the trend is in higher high movement, because you can see higher high, higher high, higher high. Again market goes up. We can go here with the buyers too. So I need to wait here. So let's see what happens here. After this candlestick I'm going to take my trade. Okay, so now this is the confirmation about this candlestick, that the next candlestick will definitely be a bullish candle. Because if you analyze the market here, it is very much visible. This is an engulfing candlestick making a new high, and the trend movement is a higher high movement, so therefore I took my trade here. Now you will see here a rejection from the lower side, and you will see here a bullish candle. So this is such a strong candlestick, and it will make another bullish candlestick easily. Because this minor rejection will not work here, it has to go up from this point, and market will make here a bullish candle. So let's see what happens here. Okay, my prediction is only for the bullish candlestick, so there is no need for me to go against the market movement. Okay, market is trying to go up, so the chances of bullish candlestick is, in my point of view, is almost 100%, and if I get here a doji, it will be not my mistake. So you can see here I won this trade. So here in this session you can see here I took 4 trades right now in front of you all. So I won all of them. Now you can see here, you can easily see here, let me show you here. You can see here it was a very bad market. Okay, now you can see such a huge rejections from the both sides. Okay, so it means that this is an indecision market, and after the breakout, after a strong breakout, I took my trade here in an up direction, and now you can see I won this trade. I took only one trade in an up direction. After this market again went down. So this is the thing that we need to know, that if you are trying to take your trades in a ranging market, so there are a few rules and you need to follow them all. So I followed the breakout rule, and now you can see this was a real breakout, and because of that I am getting here a bullish candle. So let's check the next one. Okay, so now you can see here I took another trade here with this candlestick. Okay, I took my trade here. Now let me show you here. If you analyze the market here, you can easily see that this candlestick broke this level, this one. Now after that again I'm seeing here a continuation sign, long leg spinning top, and because of that I took my trade here and market went down. So I can say also that the next candle can also go down the running candlestick. Let's see. Okay, the running candle has to close here as a bearish too. You will see here this candlestick will close here as a bearish 100%. There is no doubt. Yes, it closed. Now I can expect here a buyer's entry also. So we need to move forward. We need to check our trades. Now you can see here I have taken my trade here. Okay, so now you can see here, because of this huge rejection and because of the strongness of the candlestick, market is not respecting this level, although you can see here this is a bullish momentum. So whenever a candlestick closes here at the bullish momentum area, you can expect here a buyer's entry. But as I told you before, the situation is not one way, it is two-way situation. If this is a road, so you cannot go always in a one way. Okay, so there should be a way in and there should be a way out. So in this way you can understand the things. So you can see I won my trade, and let's see. Okay, now after this candlestick I took my trade here. If you analyze the market here, you can easily see that this is a higher high market. Okay, market is making higher highs. So therefore I took my trade after this strong candlestick, and because of that the next candlestick went up and it closed here as a bullish candle. So now you can see it is a ranging sector. So this is how we can easily take our trades. Now if I say that okay, after this candlestick I can expect here a seller's entry, am I right or wrong? I need to take another trade. Okay, AUD JPY, I think it is. So now you can see here this candlestick is a sign of continuation here, but you need to consider it more and more. Okay, now you can see here market went up, went down, again it can go up, and from this one it can get a rejection and it can also make here a bearish candle. But as I always tells you all, that there are two ways. Okay, now you can see here market is getting a rejection, and what we are seeing here, we are seeing here that the market can also close here as a bearish candle. So let's see. Okay, my prediction was only for the bearish, and now you can see here market is trying to go down. So this is the way that we can easily take our trades and we can analyze the market. So you can easily see that how you can identify each and every candlestick easily. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. So try to help each other, and try to subscribe to the channel, share, subscribe and comment more and more, because this is very informative videos for you all, and it will help you all to get a good results. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. You can also join our trading skill group on Telegram, and you can also subscribe our channel Trading Skills. So have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. And if you have queries, again I'm asking you all, you can easily contact me. The links are in the description. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Bye.